Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing zombies at Futureball's urban map. The rules are simple. Survivors have to hold the house for as long as they can, because if they get shot, they become a zombie. The zombies' goal is total domination.
House?
No. Shut up, clock it, and load up.
He just said no. No understairs. Right. Get down. Left. Hey, the left side, remember? Oh, they're already there. Oh, they moved it. No, they didn't. Moving. Come on. This ain't good already.
Coming on the middle of the building.
Woo! Oh, I hear that thing over there. Oh, I'm having problems. Oh, shit. Hi, Corey. Hi. Hi. I could have easily killed you, dude. Get this fucking gun. Oh, Rick. Magnum.
We've lost the round, but it isn't over. We've got one more chance.
Left side mid.
You got a wall down.
Tall Lego 2 stack.
You're down.
Smoke.
Back here. Out of bounds. Left side. He's down. He's been here all day. Yeah. Right side, right side, right side. How far, how far? Behind car. Behind car. Oh, I see him. Man down.
Hey, watch the left. I can get shots on the left.
He's down. It was perfect. Alright. Something over there. That's good. Mid. Down. Down. Another one left. Okay, a lot of kills is awesome. Yeah, I can't fucking see anybody. You guys right side.
You're down.
Free castle looking thing. Free castle, got it. Hot looking.
Hey, Corey down, Corey down. This guy, oh, Caleb's down. Yeah, he's, all right, so look right at me, straight there. Behind the lake. Left side, guys, it's getting taken over. They're pushing close to the house. Yeah.
They're repositioning on left. Hey, coming up mid, coming up mid.
Down, down, down. Shooting over us.
Yeah, you can put up.
Right side, Corey. Right push.
Down.
Going down.
Okay, I'll watch right, you want to watch left?
They're all straight out. He's shooting below us.
Shit, I'm reloading.
Yeah. Big aim.
Alright, they're far pushing right.
Watch the cracks. I'm pinned now. Alright, we gotta get fire superiority, ready? On 3. 3.
You down?
Whoa. Right side, dude, right here. Holy shit, car. Orange tarp car. On the right.
Nice.
Left side here.
Tango down.
Right side, right here, Austin.
Hey, these guys are pushing up close to the house here over here. Hey, left side, I think we're out, are we? Or we got one guy. Oh my god, I'm like out of ammo, dude. Shit. That failed. Oh no. Get in. Corey, we got a big problem over here. There's a lot of guys on the house.
Getting closer to the cover. Let's hold this down. This is it.
This is my last mag too.
Check
Fuck.
left. Check left. Get in close.
Yeah, I'll get right. There's a guy over here.
Yep, they're coming left. Austin,
Yeah.
I got 1 round left. I'm gonna take it. They're coming left. They're coming left.
Oh, it's their teammate. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, nut shot. Oh.
I'm so f***ed, dude. I'm so f***ed. Oh no, I'm dead.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. It lets us know that you're enjoying our content and that we can provide some more.
That was good. I got surrounded.